Hi, this is Russ with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. I wanted to do a video based upon our color chart as of July 2026. This is our current color chart. So what I've done is I put all the different colors together in this video, and it's all separated by chapters. So if you look, you can find whatever color you may want to see. So one of the things that we did too was I added different types of locations, like some are garages, some are interior houses, some are lanais. And what's good about that, it's a couple things. It gives you different lighting conditions so you can get a better idea what your garage may or may not look like. So also included in each color segment, you're going to see the color chip as it appears on the chart, and then you're going to see it as it applies to the garage floor or any floor. And what's good about that is different lighting affects colors different ways, as you could imagine. So some of these are shot in shadows, some are in sun, and then most of them I tried to do a close-up so you can get a really good idea of what the floor actually looks like. And of course you got to account for the limitations of the cameras that I'm using. I've shot this on a couple different cameras, and they're not like professional video equipment. It's an iPhone and a small action camera. So anyway, I hope this gives you a better understanding of what your color choice may look like in your location.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.